Okay, so finally, you guys have escaped the rat race. You guys have finally entered into first year MBBS, and I'm super proud of you all. Regardless of whether you have gone to a government medical college or a private medical college, I'm so happy that we all are finally becoming doctors. And yeah, so this video is basically for those people who have few doubts. As I can see, many new MBBS first year people are commenting on what books to buy, whether we need to buy certain instruments or not. So this video is basically a small summary video for all that. देखो यार, now I'll just switch to Hindi. You guys can always suggest me, by the way, if you want me to switch to English or like Hindi. Right now I'm making it in Hindi. तो देखो यार, बुक्स जो है, बुक्स अभी मत खरीदो. आई वुड सजेस्ट डू नॉट बाय बुक्स. गो टू योर कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी एंड सी विच बुक interests you. See which book sparks your curiosity. It can be Grey's Anatomy, or it can be BD Charasi, or it can be even a small, like those self-help book of anatomy before university exam. Even those contain like greatest of the concepts. I would suggest do not buy any books. Wait for a month or two and see whether your college is recommending a particular book, and if they are recommending a particular book, then your university exam is bound to come from that book only. So I would suggest do not buy any books. If you want to know what books I used BD Chaurasia for anatomy. I used partly Guyton and partly Sembulingam before exams for physiology, and for biochemistry, as I said, my university used to follow SK Gupta book, this book, and my entire biochem exam went super well. I even got a distinction in biochemistry. So this way I scored and I read from these books. Second thing is whether we need to buy an iPad or not. See guys, iPad is a subjective choice. MBBS has a lot of visual learnings, so I would suggest you that iPad does come handy. It also comes handy during those boring lectures when you want to play games. Just kidding. It's good for studies. It's good for downloading PDFs. So I would suggest do not buy an iPad, rather go for a cheaper alternative like some tablets and stuff. Or if you can issue books from library, like in my library we can issue maximum up to 3 books, but if you can issue unlimited books, then that's fair. Like even if you can issue up to 5-6 books, that's also cool. Third thing is about friendships and all that. See guys, I would say do not enter into any relationship in first year MBBS. We all are pretending when we enter our college life. Everyone is imagining themselves as their idol, that I'm going to be like this, I'm going to be like that, and all the reality comes after 6 months. Just 6 months, just give 6 months and you're going to find the real faces of all the people around you. You're going to experience heartbreaks in friendship, in love, and that's actually very nice. It helps you grow as a person. So only advice I'm going to give is that do not invest so deeply in friendships that you deviate from studies. Fourth thing is participate in college fest, college debates. This is the only time you're going to have the most fun in your life. Participate in your freshers party, go for the ramp walks. Okay, do not get dragged by seniors, but definitely give your introduction to seniors. This actually increases your confidence as well. Okay, and finally develop a routine, a habit. Now this is the time. Develop your gym routine, start journaling, start taking a hobby as well. Just do not indulge yourself so much into studies that you forget that there is a world other than studies as well. Focus on your studies. Give your, like, if you're giving 40% of your day to studies, then at least give 20% of your day for your hobbies and habits as well. एंड फाइनली नीट पीजी की तैयारी करनी है या नहीं. अगर तुम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज वाले हो तो अपने आप को एक जोर का थप्पड़ लगा दो, क्योंकि नहीं, नीट यूजी तुमने निकाल लिया ना, 2 बार नीट दे दिया है. अब थोड़ी देर वेट करो, आराम से 2nd-3rd ईयर में जाके स्टार्ट करेंगे नीट पीजी का प्रिपरेशन. और प्राइवेट कॉलेज वाले हो तो अपना गिल्ट या अगर कुछ भी है तो वो निकाल दो, क्योंकि डॉक्टर सब बन रहे हैं। फर्स्ट ईयर MBBS में नीट PG की तैयारी करना इज़ लाइक प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नीट PG when you were in class 5. Even though I have not cracked NEET PG yet, I'm still in third year MBBS, but I personally feel that you are not going to remember concepts of NEET PG from first year, but rather I would say to make your base very strong. First and second year form the base of all the subjects of not third exactly, of fourth year. तो फर्स्ट और सेकेंड ईयर में कंसेप्ट बिल्डिंग करो, नीट PG की तैयारी, MCQs सॉल्व करते रहना, इट्स फाइन, बट डू नॉट लाइक गो ओनली टूवर्ड्स MCQ सॉल्विंग, जस्ट लाइक मज़े में कभी 5-10 कर लिए, दैट्स better. Okay, do not fall in the trap of buying any apps right now. Give yourself time, experience yourself, and great, have the time of your life. Okay, thank you. I hope you liked this video. Bye bye.